guys, I'm back with another video. In this video it's going to be a DIY how to make your own paper squishy. So I'm sorry that this is going to be a paper. It's because at this moment I don't have no fluffy fabric paint, or I don't have any fluffy paint or whatever paint at this moment. I only have foam at this moment, so yeah. So as I said, I will be doing a DIY paper squishy. So let's get on with the video. So here are the things you're going to be needing for this DIY. You're going to be needing some paper to decorate with. I'm using markers. So yeah, let me take my marker. And if you guys want me to do a room tour, then just leave in the comments down below. And you're also going to be needing some this. I don't know what is this. But you're going to be needing that. And if you don't have that, then use cotton balls. Or if you don't even have that, use tissue paper. Tissue papes. So yeah, and you're also going to be needing some tape. So I'll be right back when I get the tape. So you're going to be needing some clear tape, and you're also going to be needing, so okay guys, so I found my big tape. And sorry about the background. My brother, somebody dropped something. So the first thing you're going to be starting by folding your paper in half. Like that. So now you want to draw it in the edge where it's not open, and then you want to draw your image. So be right back when I draw my image. Like an emoji one. I haven't done an emoji one. I'm being a big circle using my Play-Doh. Okay. I messed up a little bit. That's okay, because I'm older. So now I'm just gonna draw the face. I'm going to color all like yellow. And you guys wonder why I'm still in pajamas, because we haven't gone nowhere. So, but we are. So I'm gonna do a vlog after this video. It's gonna be a long editing. And if you do this project, then just give credit to me, because I've seen people did it, but they haven't done it that well. I'm just going to give you a tutorial how to make it very squishy. So now, I'm going to draw the face. Be right back when I have the face. Okay guys, so I'm back. This didn't really turn out like an emoji, just turned like a normal smiley face. Oh, and you're also going to be needing scissors. So now you just want to cut your image, and don't cut the bottom, just cut around the bottom. And the reason we did like that, the paper, because we want two of this. My hands are messed up. Kind of weird on the edges, but oh well. So now when you have that, you're going to want to take your tape. Okay. Oh no, I lost the thing. Oh no, look what happened to my tape. At this moment, I can't find the tape piece. I got it! Yay! I got it! Woo-hoo. That's what I'm talking about. Once I start the video, I get the tape again. Not bad. Ah, it's too easy to make. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take it and fold it. Or I don't lose the tape again. Alright. my camera it looks like neon, but it's actually like yellow. Now you want to place it over and don't seal the top, because that's where you're going to put the fluffiness. So you don't have to do this step by putting all of it on top of it, but it's even better. You want to do it perfect, because it's going to be a perfect one and it's going to look like a real squishy, but it's just going to be it's going to look like homemade. So now if you don't want to do this part, like put the tape on top of it, then you're going to have to seal it all over, but except the top. I'm not really going to show you guys that way because it takes a little bit more time. And I don't even know how much I have to. Because I have to do a vlog and I have to get my camera involved. Because I'm using a different camera. Okay. I was looking if I had a hole. This tape, it gets me crazy a lot, but anyways, I'm doing this. So now when you have these edges, look, as you can, I left the hole in the top, and so then the rest is sealed. That's when your little tape comes. And then see I'm covering it. What I'm doing is I'm flipping it, and then I'm getting a piece of tape, and then what I'm doing is I'm bending that back so you can see it, and then taping it. And so yeah, and if there's any excess that there's holes, you tape it up, but leave a hole in the top, because that's where we're gonna put this. Am I looking at my control? I should be looking on that. I was looking here. Here's where it starts to get fun, putting the fluff in it. And this makes it, the more cotton, or whatever you put in it, the more fluffier it becomes. Yeah. Okay. So I'll be right back when I'm done putting this in, because it's taking a while. That's enough. Now, you want to get it, and you want to get a pencil and just poke all of it in. And the tape that I lost. So now, that's when you get this. Like, just like over there. I'm holding it because I have to get this tape. Okay, so here's your final product of your squishy, and I can't wait. You can make it a lot bigger. It's so slow rising. You can hear the noise, look. And that's what you hear in actually squishies. They're like, and like, look. You guys want to know how you do that? Just leave a teensy bitty hole, I guess. Teensy bitty hole with squishy, and then we got it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.